Just at the Shalom in Grimsby, finishing off our graffiti projects and music. And my man Marsh doing the music in the background. Yeah, we've come over with our Beats bus. And yeah, got the kids doing some graph and that, what's been designing the boards and stuff. And finishing off. So yeah. Nice. That's it. That's alright, I can tie that up for you, so it's cool.
Just a scribble on the wall. It's universal and unites us all. Amazing to look at and makes a statement. You can see it from afar and from the pavement. Graffiti ain't just a scribble on the wall. It's universal and unites us all.
Right.
Amazing to look at and makes a statement. You can see it from afar and from the pavement.
Nice one, man. Respect, bro. You too.
Still getting paid. An element part of the hip hop movement. Turned into a pro. Was once a student.
Is it back? You know the lava tag. I'm that good. I don't need to brag. Put a smile on my face.
Great.
Don't rush the art form, it's not a race.
Kendall's good because she really listens to what I'm saying. And she kind of like concentrates on. Yeah, she applies herself good, you know what I mean? Okay, cool. That's it. You don't want the colour. Move across, quick, that's it. Nice one.
It's universal and unites us all. Amazing to look at and makes a statement. You can see it from afar and from the pavement. Graffiti ain't just a scribble on the wall. It's universal and unites us all. Amazing to look at
Nice.
and makes a statement. You can see it from afar and from the pavement.
I don't have to do that. You're careful enough, man.
Graffiti
Not you
ain't
do it.
just a scribble on the wall.
Just go careful towards the end, that's it. Well done.